Welcome to another episode of How Bad Are the Roads? Or How Are the Roads? Or How is the Weather? Or whatever you want to call it. We had some freezing rain last night on top of sleet, on top of snow, and now it's snowing. They did not cancel school, nor did they even delay it. Well, they've canceled it in some areas, but not here. Of course, Wanda has not been plowed. Pretty typical. It's definitely 100% snow covered. Tim Wolf, are you out driving in this stuff? You have to drive clear across to Iowa today? The blizzard? Because I'm guessing, depending on what part of the state you're in, you are having some bad weather. Currently headed south on Wanda. Snow. Looking at the sidewalks, maybe an inch. Maybe an inch and a half. It's hard to tell. Let's say an inch. Bad up in Huxley, eh? No problem, Josh. Are you plowing this time of year? Definitely messy out. Side streets are mostly unplowed. I haven't seen a single side street plowed yet. Main road is plowed. At least they're attempting to. Co-op parking lot not plowed at First Family, which is not surprised. It just started snowing. I'm sure ours isn't plowed yet either. They are still having co-op this morning. Plowing in Ames, yeah. Yeah, it's only been snowing for like heavy, I don't know, 35, 45 minutes, I feel like. So far, I don't see any accidents. Ha! Check out that Cadillac though, right over there, way on the right-hand side of the screen. I'm guessing he's not getting good snow. He has like just wheels. Grandpa would say rubber band tires. That's what he would call them. Just found out yesterday that my washer fluid reservoir is broken, so when I poured the bottle of fluid in, it ended up all over the ground. So we're just gonna have to depend on precipitation to clean the window, or spray from other people's tires. Mara, good morning, Mara. I'm super tired from band practice last night. I don't know why. Wednesdays are long days. It is snowing again. Welcome to Iowa. Yeah, we got 2 cars through the intersection. This is always the worst. It's driving in 4-wheel drive when no one else is driving in 4-wheel drive. And I know 4-wheel drives don't stop faster. But when you're trying to take off, you gotta wait for everybody. You know, dude, that guy's walking. Look at him on the right. All he's got on is a hoodie. And, oh, he's got a face mask on. He literally just had a face mask on and a hoodie, and it's 9 degrees in a blizzard. I really don't know how he's surviving right now. That was insane. This road is definitely been plowed over and over. Uh-oh, my windshield's starting to freeze up. Ah. Privilege. I love that word, privilege. It's definitely coming down. Yeah, that's what I need. I need to spray my window with. If I do, I'd have to do like something that doesn't freeze though. Oh, my wife is watching? How can you be watching? You're supposed to be at co-op. Here we go. Wind's definitely blowing. Look at it blow across that road. That'll drift quick. Oh, there's the Cadillac. Some ginormous rims. It does look sweet. But I'd rather have that Tahoe with the big tires. Okay. Here we go. 4x4 race with the plow. See if we can whoop them. We're sitting in the parking lot. Is it not open yet? Can't go until 8:30. I'm not having any trouble in the weather, but definitely low visibility. Pretty nasty. I can imagine. I feel for the parents who like are sending their kids to school in their own cars. And the kid that was walking back there. But that looked like a college student, age student. But I could be wrong. This is Highway 69 headed south out of Ankeny. AKA 14th Street, AKA Ankeny Boulevard. Oop, that car's spinning its wheels trying to get out of there. I can't understand what you're saying. It says something, a little something frio. That means cold. Cold, maybe? From Porto Alegre. That's Brazil. It sounds like something little cold. Porto Alegre. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Scott Keithley. Office pretty busy. Getting lots of people coming in this morning. You probably aren't even open yet, are you? Probably not. Yeah, you're at work, but you're probably not open yet. Okay, here we go. This road is always a little shady. Oh, it's plowed pretty good, but this one, oh, whoa! This one usually gets pretty icy and a lot of crosswinds. And man, yesterday they had so much sand on it, it looked like a gravel road, which is good because it's hilly. It's where it's safe and warm. What, inside at work? Yeah. It probably wasn't this bad then. If you're already at work, you probably didn't drive through this. This is just, I feel like this just hit in the last half hour, 45 minutes. Yeah, it wasn't snowing, that's what I thought. So I thought, I saw that we were supposed to get 2 inches. It is definitely blowing a lot of snow. Not that I'm reading your message while I'm driving or anything. The car, see that car, little car, spinning to get out of that driveway. You made her though. No problem. You're welcome. It's the least I can do. Look at this Charger trying to get up this hill. Making it, but the tires are spinning, snow's blowing off the back. This road's got some serious sand on it, and it's so there's another Charger. That's actually a highway patrolman. Yeah, 25. I'm going. I was going 25. So that intersection is dangerous though. They are redoing that actually. So that bridge back there is kind of shady because you come underneath of it and you can't see through it, so you gotta watch for people pulling out. Or if you're pulling out, you gotta watch for other people. They're redoing that. So they're completely leveling that intersection and putting in stoplights, according to the DOT website. I think they've already done all the power. There's a new power box there. It's pretty strange that this side street isn't plowed yet. It's usually plowed. Well, we made it safe. It looks like, wow, there's like 5 people already at work, so that's pretty good. Who wants to do a donut? I don't even think I can do one in this. It's 4-wheel drive. Oh yeah, I can. Woohoo! But I have one. That was just your little bonus for all you 7 people who are still watching. Got a little half a donut there in the parking lot. Well, stay safe, and